Hello everyone, hope all are good. Welcome back to the educational channel. Dear students, we have been discussing our fourth lesson. It's called Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. In this video, we will conclude this lesson. Today we are going to learn about reading 5 paragraphs, explanation and new words. This is the third part of the lesson. Here you can see the list of meaning of new words. So children, take the screenshot and write it down in your English notebook. So before going to start today's paragraphs, I would like to ask you few questions which are related to the previous paragraphs. Are you ready? Okay, here you can see the first question. When did the magician reveal his true identity? When did the magician reveal his true identity? Yes, when he took Aladdin to the mountain top, he behaved rudely and revealed his true identity. Is it? Of course. And what is true identity? Do you know, children? Earlier he said that he was Aladdin's relative, Aladdin's uncle. But when he took Aladdin to the mountain top, he behaved rudely and he revealed his true identity. What is a true identity? The magician. He was a magician from Africa. That is his true identity. And next question. With whose help did Aladdin reach his house? With whose help did Aladdin reach his house? Of course, Aladdin reached his house with help of the genie of the ring, not magic lamp, magic ring. Is it? He reached his house with help of the magic ring, the genie of the magic ring, which was given that magician to Aladdin. Is it? And next one question. Why was Aladdin wonderstruck? When he reached the bottom of the stairs. When he climbed and reached the bottom of the stairs, why was Aladdin wonderstruck? Yes, because when Aladdin reached the bottom of the stairs, he was wonderstruck because he saw there rubies, sapphires and emeralds hanging from the trees. Is it? So with this, we shall begin our today's paragraphs. Here you can see our today's paragraphs, and also these are last paragraphs of the lesson. Are you ready, students? Okay, put your finger and listen carefully. Soon a huge genie appeared in a cloud of smoke and said, I am the slave of the lamp. What is your wish, mistress? So, when Aladdin's mother when she began to wipe means began to rub the dust from it, soon a huge genie appeared in front of her. Then genie said that I am the slave of the lamp. Slave means what here? Servant of the lamp. What is your wish? Because mistress. What is your wish, mistress? The genie of the magic lamp. Here the genie of the magic lamp. So here second time genie appeared in front of her in front of her that genie was the slave of the magic lamp. This time came from magic lamp. But when first time when Aladdin saw the genie has come from magic ring. But second time appeared that was the genie of the magic lamp. So it said that the genie said that, what is your wish, mistress? Next paragraph. Aladdin's mother was so baffled. She didn't know what to do. Aladdin was used to all this by now. He calmly asked the genie for food. At once their tiny room was filled with delicious food. The little boy and his mother ate to their heart's content. Life went on happily for the two of them. Whenever they needed something, they rubbed the magic lamp and their wish was fulfilled instantly. So in this paragraph, baffled it means confused. Confused, and next instantly it means immediately or at once. Immediately or at once. So Aladdin's mother was confused when a huge genie appeared in front of her and spoke something. Then suddenly she was confused and wondered. Then she don't know what to do. But Aladdin was common to Aladdin because he has experienced before at once. Is it? He had experienced before one time. So it is used to common to the Aladdin. So he calmly asked the genie for food. He did not become confused because he has experienced. When he was downwards, then he saw the first time genie from the magic ring. So he did not become confused. So calmly asked the genie for food. Who? Aladdin. At once means immediately the tiny room. Within second, immediately the tiny room, their hut, whose Aladdin's hut, filled with delicious food. Different types of breakfast, different types of snacks and dinners, different types of bhajis, all filled with that teeny room. Then the little boy and his mother ate their heart contents. So your heart contents means how much their tummy need. So happily they had food. And after their life going on happily day by day because they had a magic lamp, is it? So whenever they need something, they rub that magic lamp. A huge genie appeared in front of them, and the genie fulfilled their wish immediately. So their life, Aladdin and his mother life went on happily for the days. Next paragraph. One day Aladdin happened to see a sultan's daughter riding by their street, and he fell head over heels in love with her. Aladdin's mother had kept the jewels he had brought from the mountain safely. The next day she took those jewels and visited the sultan's palace. He was so impressed that he decided to wed his daughter to Aladdin. He promised to meet Aladdin at his palace. So when the Aladdin and his mother's life went on happily, their life went on happily. One day what happened? Aladdin saw a sultan's daughter who was riding by their street and he fell in love with her. When she was riding by street, he saw her and he liked her. So he completely, here head over heels means completely, totally, he fell in love with her. Who? Aladdin. So Aladdin explained, Aladdin told to the mother, told his mother, then his mother visited the Sultan's palace along with jewels, those jewels. Which jewels those? Do you know, children? When Aladdin went downwards, there he saw rubies, sapphires, very precious gems. Those he filled with his pockets. Is it? When he went downside. So those jewels Aladdin's mother had kept safely in home. So she now using those jewels to marry his son. So she visited the Sultan's palace along with those jewels. When she visited Sultan's palace and she asked Sultan to wed his daughter to Aladdin, then Sultan was so impressed and also he promised to meet Aladdin at his palace, because Sultan didn't know Aladdin family, because they are poor family, but that Sultan thought that they are rich, they have palace. So then Sultan thought that he wanted to meet Aladdin's palace. He wanted to meet Aladdin in his palace. So next what happened? Look at here. Once again Aladdin and his mother took the help of the genie of the lamp and got a beautiful palace for themselves. Soon the princess and Aladdin became man and wife. So when Sultan wanted to meet Aladdin in his palace, then once again Aladdin and his mother took the help. Aladdin and his mother have taken the help of the magic lamp to appear the genie, and they asked a beautiful palace for themselves, because his mother wanted to wed his son with Sultan's daughter. So Sultan wanted to meet Aladdin, so that if you wanted to show them we are rich, then he need a palace. They need the palace, so they asked again the help of the genie of the magic lamp. Then they got a beautiful palace, and soon after the prince and Aladdin, Sultan's daughter and Aladdin became husband and wife. Here man and wife, it means husband and wife. They become married couple. Who? Aladdin and Sultan's daughter, princess. So next paragraphs, look at here. The magician from Africa was seeing what was happening. He was very jealous of Aladdin and wanted to get hold of the lamp at any cost. Disguised as a lamp merchant, he came to their palace when he knew Aladdin and his mother wouldn't be there. So look at the picture here. So when Aladdin's life going on happily, then he was seeing the magician from Africa was seeing what was happening in the life of Aladdin, who cheated him, who refused to give that magic lamp, who refused Aladdin. So in Aladdin's family, Aladdin's life was going on happily, so that the magician was become jealous of Aladdin, because Aladdin refused to give him that magic lamp. When the magician refused to help Aladdin, then Aladdin refused to give that magic lamp. So both they become enemies. So when Aladdin's life was going on happily, he was become jealous. Look at the picture. He was seeing Aladdin's life. They all, his mother and his wife, along with his wife, he was very happy. So that the magician was very jealous of Aladdin. So at any cost, he must and should, he wanted that magic lamp. How can I get from the Aladdin's palace? So that he disguised. Here disguised means to dress up unusual clothes, different clothes, because to hide his true identity. Nobody can recognize he is a magician, and his family, Aladdin and his mother and his wife, didn't recognize he is a magician. So that he disguised means to hide his appearance, exact look. So he hide his true identity. So that to hide his true identity, he dressed up as a lamp merchant. And he came to their palace. When he knew that, he observed when in the palace Aladdin and his mother wouldn't be in the palace. Only his wife will be there in the palace. Then he appeared. Then he reached Aladdin's palace. Next, what happened? We will see. The princess was not aware of the magic lamp. She willingly exchanged it with a new one. The magician was quick to act. The moment he got the magic lamp, he rubbed it and asked the genie to transport him, the princess and Aladdin's palace, to Africa. When Aladdin returned, he realized what must have happened. He rubbed the ring and asked the genie of the ring to take him to his wife in Africa. So look at the picture. So he planned, the magician planned and disguised as a magic lamp. He dressed up as a magic lamp and reached Aladdin's palace. When that time when in the palace only the princess will be stay. So he appeared, reached as a merchant lamp. Then princess was not aware of that, means she didn't know the magic of the lamp. So that's it become old. So she wanted who? Princess willingly means interestly she wanted to exchange that with a new one. So that when a lamp merchant reached her home, her palace, she wanted to exchange it with a new one, so that she has given that old lamp and have taken new lamp, because she didn't know about that magic lamp. She thought that it was old, so she thought to exchange it with a new one, so that she has taken new lamp and she given that old lamp to the lamp merchant. And that moment, what happened, when the magician, that lamp merchant, has taken that old lamp, suddenly he rubbed, and when the genie appeared in front of him, he asked the genie to transport him and princess. Whose princess? Aladdin's wife and Aladdin's palace to Africa. The magician asked the genie transport all whatever he had, princess, his palace, and him, to transport to Africa. So they went. Within seconds they disappeared from that place. When Aladdin returned back to that place, then he realized that what happened there. Then suddenly he rubbed that magic ring which was given the magician and asked the genie to take him to his wife in Africa. Look at here, when he got to know that what was happened in that place, because he lost there his palace and his wife princess. So he became sad, and suddenly he recognized that ring, magic ring, and rubbed. When he rubbed that ring, a genie appeared in front of him, and he asked the genie of the ring to take him to his wife in Africa. So then next, look at here, next paragraph. Once reunited with her, he quietly crept into the room where the magician was sleeping. The magic lamp was protruding from his robe. He pulled it and rubbed it hard. Then he requested the genie of the lamp to get rid of the magician and to transport him, his wife, and their palace back to Persia. So here reunited, it means to unite again. So Aladdin united again. He met with her where? In Africa. Look at the picture. He came quietly to the magician's room. Look at here. He slept at night. In that night, the magician slept, and first he met princess. After he quietly crept, means he was went into the room where the magician was sleeping. Then there was magic lamp was protruding, means sticking from his robe. Here robe means a long, here look at the picture, a long loose outer garment. So who wear this one? Like kings, very rich persons will wear, that is a long loose outer garment. So that magic lamp was protruding, means sticking from his robe. So he pulled that, here look at here, pulled the magic lamp and then suddenly came out and rubbed it hard. Then the genie was appeared and he requested the genie of the magic lamp to get rid of. Here, to get rid of means to remove, to dismiss the chapter of the magician. So close the magician chapter means to kill him. To dismiss, to dispose. Here to get rid of means to dispose, to remove or to dismiss. So first he requested, he was very cruel man. Who? The magician was very cruel man. He is doing bad things. So that first you get rid of the magician. First you close the magician chapter, magician's life. Then he asked to transport him, his and their palace back to Persia. After he asked, requested to transfer Aladdin and Aladdin's wife and his palace to back to Persia. So next, what happened? Thereafter, Aladdin used the magic lamp to help the poor people and he lived happily ever after with his beautiful princess. Look at the picture. So thereafter means after that magic lamp was along with the Aladdin. So it has magic. So that magic Aladdin used that to help the poor people, because he was also a poor after he become rich person. So that he used that magic lamp to poor people, to help the poor people, and he lived happily with his beautiful princess. So this is the complete explanation of the fourth lesson, is called Aladdin and the magic lamp. Now I am going to explain briefly today's paragraphs by showing the pictures. Look at here. When Aladdin's mother began to wipe the dirt from it, then soon a huge genie appeared in a cloud of smoke and said, "I am the slave of the lamp. What is your wish, mistress?" Then Aladdin's mother was confused. She don't know what to do, but it was common to him. So he calmly asked the genie for food. At once, immediately in front of them, the delicious food appeared. Then they ate to the heart content happily. So life was going on happily. Their life was going on happily, because whenever they need any help, they will rub the magic lamp and the genie will fulfill. So one day what happened? He saw a sultan's daughter who was riding by the street and he fell in love. So he said to his mother, and she took the jewels and visited the sultan's palace, and she asked Sultan to wed his daughter to Aladdin, and the Sultan was impressed and he promised to meet Aladdin in his palace, but he didn't know. So that once again they asked the help of the genie, and they got a beautiful palace after they became husband and wife. So here the magician from Africa was seeing what was happening, and he became jealous to seeing Aladdin's life was going happily. Then one day he disguised as a lamp merchant. He came and reached the palace, and he took that old lamp and he rubbed that old lamp, and quickly a genie appeared in front of them, and he asked the genie to transport him and Aladdin's princess and Aladdin's palace to Africa. When Aladdin reached there, nothing. So then he remembered the ring, and he rubbed that ring which was given the magician, and a huge genie appeared. That genie brought him to Africa. Then he quietly went into the room of the magician was sleeping there, and he took that magic lamp and rubbed it, and then he requested the genie to dismiss the life of the magician, because he was very cruel man. So he closed his life, and he came back to Persia. Then after he used that lamp to the poor people to help them, and he lived happily with his beautiful princess. So here this is complete explanation about the lesson Aladdin and the magic lamp. So children, I hope you understood. And what we learned from this lesson? From this lesson we learned about humanity, honesty and values of things. So which things are valuable, those things we have to use to good works, to do good works, not for bad works. So here the Aladdin did the good job. He used that magic lamp to help the poor people. Is it? Okay, I hope you understood this lesson. Now take down the homework. Write the meaning of new words and the question answer in English notebook one time, and read the whole lesson 2 times. Is it clear, students? So we will meet in the next video with new lesson. Till then, goodbye. Thank you, my dear students.